Hello, good morning. Wanted to do a quick video about this 3D printed ukulele that I printed. I know I put a few pictures out on Facebook and people were asking about it. I printed it, the model off of Thingiverse is the ukulele model. You can find it out there, download the STL, slice it up in your favorite slicing program. I printed it on my Geeetech A10M printer, which I realized after having it a little while was actually tall enough to print the entire body in one piece. There are options in this model to print the neck in multiple pieces, and that's a good option too. Um, if you can't fit the whole, let's see, that's the neck. There's a split body. Yeah, there's a split body here too. So if you can't fit the whole body in at once, you can actually print the whole body and glue it in two pieces. So I printed it in PETG first, and the PETG ended up being way too floppy, and so I printed in PLA, and I wanted to do a quick video while it was all together and tuned up and has strings on it and everything. So anyway, so here it is. You can see the body is all one piece. Um, the neck, you can see the seam here for the two-piece neck. It glued together pretty well and seems to be holding up pretty well. Um, but yeah, all one piece is a nice looking model. Um, the only issue I really ran into, and actually you can see it's starting to have a problem here. The top part of the ukulele ended up printing kind of thin. The up at the top of the printer, there ends up being a pretty good curve in the Bowden tubes that are feeding the filament, and it looks like it kind of got stuck. So while down here is nice and solid and all that, this is kind of squishy up in here, and I'm kind of afraid this is gonna start having a problem. The only other issue I had was that the action was a bit low, and so you can see I added this bridge extension here to kind of get the strings up off of the fretboard. So, anyways, let's give it a try here before it goes out of tune again. It's still strings are kind of moving, and I think the ukulele is moving too. So here's a quick. Ah, 3D printed uke. Thanks for watching.